Happy Thursday. So today's agenda is I'm going to take the bus to school, then I'm going to get in line for these wristbands for this concert tonight while doing my homework. Then I have some class, I'm going to come back home, change, shower, get ready for the concert, and tonight we're going to go see the Driver Era. I'm ready to go.
While we wait for tickets to the Driver Era to see Ross Lynch take his shirt off.
Thanks. I got my ticket, so now I have to go to class. I have an economics class that I'm walking to right now. It starts in like 20 minutes, but wish me luck. Bye! Here's the fit. Ooh, ooh, ooh. We're officially outside. We're in the line to get in. It's super long. We have our wristbands on. We're ready for Ross. Hi vlog. I look really crusty right now. I need a shower because I have an event tomorrow at 7 a.m. and it's like really late right now. So good night for now. See you tomorrow. This is Nitro. Thank you. Hi vlog. Sorry for not like keeping you updated. I came home and took a very long bath. After this event, we went to Burger U, which is like a restaurant like here on campus, and the speaker from this event came and had lunch with us. And then I got on the bus and I came home, and now I'm literally just chillaxing because I have a ton of homework to do this weekend. So just have my little eye patches on from a press. They're so good. Today is an exciting day. We have learned this morning that a hurricane is coming tomorrow.
Idalia.
So we're waiting for Ariel and we're gonna go grocery shopping. Stay tuned. See, bud, we are crazy. We're crazy. Hi vlog. We're in the library right now just doing our homework. This is my econ.
I'm still struggling.
It's 7:57 and I finally completed my economics homework. Emily is still going strong. Hi vlog. Sorry I haven't vlogged yesterday because I cut my finger and I had to go to urgent care. It was not fun, so I didn't vlog it. But today is Thursday and I did all my homework, so we're gonna go to the football game and bring you along. We are leaving the football game because it's starting to rain. We were gonna win and it is starting to rain and the girlies are tired. So walking home.
Already winning by 4 touchdowns. And
Had a very good time though. We love the Knights. Today is a very fun day. We are going to go to downtown Winter Park and go to some bookstores. Hello vlog, some random man told us to come to this museum and it was $1 and it was the best museum I've ever had for $1.
Yep.
So we're gonna go to the bookstore now. Bye! Cooking with me, see, yeah.